Hey, I'm Roy and welcome back to another edition of Access All Areas. This week we have some very exciting news. We've been very privileged to be working alongside Italian designer Sergio Essellegi to create a stunning full wrap for Linton's van. You won't miss this out on the road. The team of installers did a fantastic job in completing the transformation and we're wrapped with the results. Check them out in action. The van features CPH Group branding in a matte finish and satin chrome Probond on the back. You won't miss Linton out in the roads across Victoria as he delivers free delivery and expert advice. Thank you for watching Access All Areas. Can't wait to see you on the next one very soon.